I fell apart to find my soul. The pieces made a brighter whole. Through the silence, through the pain, I found my way back home again. Every tear became a seed of something higher I would need. Now I bloom in gold inside. This is my rebirth of light. Became my fire, every fall took me higher. I'm glowing soft, I'm burning bright. This is my burning bright. This is my rebirth of light. I let the old me drift away. I welcome now this brand new day. In the mirror I can see the love that's always lived in me. Every breath a sacred sign. I'm aligned with the divine. What was hidden now ignites. This is my rebirth of life. Became my fire, every fall took me higher. I'm glowing soft, I'm burning bright. This is my rebirth. This is my rebirth of light. The strength to heal, the will to brave. I walk in faith, I walk in grace. The sun is shining on my face.